morning, everyone. Ellie is on, let's see, this will be day 4 for her medicine. She is doing so much better. Yeah, still having a little panting and stuff, but she did great watching the garbage man come. Didn't get all fearful or anything, so she's doing fabulous. Look at, we still got some hair to get off, some matting. Looks like old puppy fur, and she's, you know, just doing really good. Oh my God, that's like really good. And she's been using the potty like she's supposed to, and she's just doing fabulous. Ellie, come on, let's go check everything out. I know, baby, you don't feel good still. Or not, we'll just sit here and talk. Ellie, what are you doing, good girl? Look at that tail wag. She's a good girl. Yes, you are. I'm sorry. She's got her cough medicine in her, so doing a little chokey choke. But again, she's doing great. Much better with the medicine, the antibiotics and stuff. So yeah, we don't really like these beds for some reason. When I slept downstairs, she did sleep on that. This one is, I think, too big. So I've got hack stuff all over and boogers all over my floor. So I just mopped it yesterday. I'm going to have to do again today. And we'll wash all the rugs again today. And her little blankie. She's had her breakfast early because Mommy works early. So yeah, I've got some mopping and sanitizing to do. So, but she's doing really, really good. She's still got her little mist. Yeah, so yeah, that's our little update. But she's up and around. We go outside. Come on, let's go outside again. She's gonna do her thing. Yeah, good girl. Come on. You were just out here, so. Good girl. Good girl. We did a brushing already and got a couple handfuls of hair out. So, but anyway, Ellie, you're a pretty girl. Say goodbye to everybody. Yeah, we'll check up later. Bye.